multiply, we're going to be talking about multiplying or multiply, and it means to find the product of. Here in our equation we have 3 multiplied by 6, and it says it's 18. Now, you can use the block method, or if you prefer to draw it out in this kind of a way, or you can also use the numerical line to help you achieve the answer to the problem. So here we have 3 blocks and we have them 6 times. So 3 multiplied by 6, or you could do 6 multiplied by 3. 1, 2, 3. So here's my first row, my second row, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. And in each row there are 3 blocks. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And here we have 3, 1, 2, 3, and in each one there are 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And this is the numerical line way. 6 plus 6 is 12, and then plus 6 again is 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. Great job, you'll get it. So let's dig a little bit further into this. 1 multiplied by 3 means I have 1 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. Now let's go down to our next one here. 2 multiplied by 3, or 2 3 times. So here's my first group of 2, my second group of 2, and there's my third group of 2. So we have 2, 4, 6. So 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. 3 multiplied by 3, or 3 groups of 3. There's my first group of 3, my second group of 3, and my third group of 3. 3, 6, 9. So 3 multiplied by 3, or 3 groups of 3, equals 9. Okay, so for this next one, I'm going to give you the chance to do it by yourself. Pause the video here and try to work these out yourself. Okay, now that you've tried it on your own, let's work the problems together. 3 groups of 5. Here are my 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we know there's 5 fingers on each hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll do 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 groups of 5. 5, 10, 15. So I will write 15 here. 3 5s. 5, 10, 15. 3 multiplied by 5, or 3 groups of 5. This time we'll count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15. 3 groups of 5 here means the same thing as 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, for our next problem, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of bananas, and in each group there are 1, 2, 3 bananas. So up top, let's do yellow. We'll do 3 and 3 and 3 and 3. And in our first problem, you see it looks kind of like this. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So all of these groups added up together equal 15. 5 groups of 3, 5 groups of 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Our answer is 15. And again, the 5 multiplied by 3. So there's our 5 groups of 3. And we know the answer was 15. So each one of these says the exact same thing. It's just worded a little differently. Okay, so when you see this, you can also think of this. And when you see this, you can think of this. 5 groups of 3 is the same as 5 multiplied by 3. Alrighty. Okay, here's another one to work out on your own. Pause the video now, work it out, and then press play again. Good job! Now that you've done it on your own, let's see if we can figure it out together. So 4 multiplied by 4, or I have 4 groups of 4. 4 groups of 4. Okay, so let's do, here's my first group of 4. There's my second group of 4 and my third group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. Did you get it? Yay! Thank you for watching the video. I hope you feel more comfortable using multiplication. See you next time.